FMS Hobby decided to send us the new PA-18 Super Cub. This is the ready-to-fly version. It's super easy to put together, and it is easy to fly. If you are looking into getting the hobby, or if you like STOL planes and bush planes, this is the plane for you. The Reflex V2 in stabilized mode is great for any beginner pilot. And once you're ready to take it to the next level, you switch it into optimized mode, and it will handle any wind gust while still giving you full control of the aircraft. The FMS 1300mm PA-18 Super Cub gets the stamp of approval from RC Air Shenanigans. All right, well, it taxis great. Let's take a look at them flaps. Good Lord. All right.
I've been using it to take off. And then
oh my goodness.
I don't use it when I land.
They're brakes. They're straight up air brakes. All right, RC Air Shenanigans out here with the FMS PA-18 Super Cub for the very first time. Steve is going to do the maiden flight. We're going to see how this goes. Okay, we set a 3-minute timer. There is some wind. I don't know if you should use flaps at all for taking off. It's up to you. But this is going to be stabilized mode flight. And it's off. Looked like it took off pretty easy. Our beginner flyer's not out here, so we're not going to get a great judge on whether it's a good beginner plane. But so far, it took off great. Every plane I've had from FMS so far has been amazing. So, yeah, the sticks are different. If you've been using a Spectrum transmitter, jumping to this Fly Sky is definitely different. Nice. Oh, it's on a 3S 2200 right now. Oops, I hit the button. Zoom out, come on.
See what it does with some flaps. Oh,
come on, phone.
that's landing flaps.
That's landing flaps? I told you they were brakes. I believe so. It just says it recommends 3S, but when I looked at the ESC, it says it can do a 4S. It's only a 40 amp ESC, but I mean it should be. Well, the Corsair is a 40 amp also, so should be able to handle a 4S. We'll find out. Maybe not today, but yeah. Look at that. Flies nice and slow. What do you think for a beginner plane?
It flies really good. It's like a bush plane, huh? Just like it should be. Just like a bush plane. It's just like this plane, but a little.
So you think if this was your very first plane, you'd be able to fly it? Stay out of the water. Look at that. Oh, nice. Oh, it bounces. Those are air-filled tires. Completely air-filled tires. And Steve says it taxis really well, too. It looks great.
Yeah, it's actually fantastic. It's actually a really good flying plane. Probably one of the best stall planes I've ever flown, to be honest with you.
Nice. Looks like it flies better than the Mall.
It does. 100%.
All right, I'll go get a tester, and we'll see where we're at after 3 minutes of flight on a 3S 2200. Okay.
That's super crazy.
So, one issue is it comes with a Fly Sky transmitter, but there is no throttle lock, so you're kind of taking it into your own hands when you go to test the battery or pull the battery or whatever. So just make sure that transmitter is nowhere near you. You might have to hold the plane because my hands are cold.
My hands are fucking freezing. That's why I landed. That's why I keep putting my hands in my pockets.
Okay.
After flying.
And either hold this or test it.
I've been shortening my flight times just to.
Let's see where we're at.
Look how big those control arms. I bet it does.
70% after 3 minutes.
3 minutes, 70%.
We're at 3.95, 3.96.